Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to create artistic effects to pictures in Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to create artistic effect to picture. Firstly insert a picture. Go to the insert menu, click picture option. Then choose a picture on our file. Now I choose this picture and click insert. Now we can see here we insert a picture. Now we create this picture artistic effect. Click the picture and go to the format menu. Now we can see here many options. We find and choose the artistic effect. Now we can see here many effect. Now we choose any effect in this effects option. Now I choose the effect. Now we can see here we create artistic effect to picture very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.